Wow. All that tile pulled out. All that tile broken out. It was a lot of work. My boss, my wife, is an expert. I got tired. She finished it. She did most of it. So we got that wall to do yet. But we're getting pretty good, don't you think, sweetie?
Yes.
The secret is to get the blade between it, get the putty knife in between it, and then hammer around it, and it frees up and breaks off or gives away. So, dang. All right, just a little bit more to go. Well, gee, you could just went to Lowe's and bought a golf cart. Look at that, right? I probably have that much already into mine. Well, no, just kidding. But look at that. Could have just went to Lowe's and bought a golf cart.
If it was like super small.
Got our, can you open the box? Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? That's gonna be herringbone. What's it called?
Tile.
Tile for backsplash. We were painting these things. Used the cardboard as for like to plug holes in it so they would sit in here. And worked pretty good. They turned out really nice. Really nice. Before, after. All right. I want one of those.
How do I open it first? Oh, turn it off right now.
Just right there on them. Right there. Right here.
Where?
Pull that up.
It doesn't just pull it on.
Oh, it doesn't? You are strong.
You do this and I'll record it.
The box. All right, you open that. You're not in the video. Ooh, very nice. It's metal. The industrious big. That's what she says. What's that? What's that? Oh, it's a weight. It's a weight for the pulley to keep it down.
Okay, that's nothing.
Oh my goodness. I broke this water line and we had a flood. We had a flood, we had water all over the place. My wife grabbed the water vacuum or whatever you call it, shop vac. It's hard to see in there, but way back in there. See if I can put my flashlight on. Way back in there, it broke. It broke way back there. Now it's hard to tell, but that is in the wall. I had to get my hand in there. I broke it before. That's what that one was on. That was broken pipeline first, about 4 years ago. Now it's broken line number 2, the second, and it broke back there, and we had a gusher going for about 5 minutes. I was trying to get the water turned off to the house. And now all the water is on, but I have both the valves off. And I don't see any leaking, do you? Do you see any leaking back there? Oh, I saw a drip, but that's from that pipe. And that pipe's to the water, to the heater, to the... It's not, you know what I'm trying to say. I'm tired. It's 9 o'clock. I'm done filming. But I wanted to show you this. Bye. Guys, look at that. They came and pulled out the countertops. Man, they did a great job. No damage at all. And then I built up the center island because we want to make it more of a bar island. So we brought it up about 3.5, well, about 4 inches maybe. Then the slab will go on top of that, and it's gonna be narrower. So drilled that in with some screws, cut the form, and we're gonna put crown molding over this part of it right here. So yeah, got that on Marketplace. It's brand new. The people who sold it didn't want a dishwasher. They bought the house with a brand remodeled house. And I'd like to show you inside, but I don't know how to open it. Well, I'll leave that alone, but it's nice GE. Nice GE, brand new. I mean, well, twice maybe used, once. So it's exciting. The slabs will be quartz, countertops will be installed today, and do the black splash, but it's looking good. Looking really good. Whoa-wee, whoa, wow. Look at that counter. Dang. Nice new sink. Oh boy. That looks good. They had a cut here, I guess, to get this whole piece. It's a big piece. So, man. It's like a new kitchen, truly. New kitchen. This thing is the big changer, because now it's a bar top versus a counter. It's taller now for sure, and works great. You can sit down behind it, kick your feet up, kick your legs up. We'll have some bar stools here. It's gonna look great. They fix that up, make that look really nice too. So, all right. Okay, got installed, well, screwed in. Nice faucet, you know, it's gonna work good. Got the lines down, but I need to be reminded that I don't have them tightened down. Remind me to tighten them down, okay? All right, thanks, appreciate it. So gotta do that. One thing I don't have, that's one thing we didn't get with this, was the drains. So we gotta get drains. Now that's a sight for me filling up a sink. Just testing, make sure it doesn't leak. Testing, make sure it doesn't leak. So far, no leaks. Don't laugh at my plumbing. It works. Be nice to me, please. No, just kidding. But I think we got it. No leaks. Ugh. No leaks. Nice unit. This head, this faucet. So, all right. Sweetie, remember, just look at this. Every piece going this way has got to go the exact same way. This way, 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 this way. This, and then the next level. This way, this way, this way.